Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to see about the types of the bone cell. Let's see first what is bone. Bone is hard connective tissue which form the major part of our skeleton. Round about 80% of skeleton is composed of bone and 20% cartilage. Bone, hard connective tissue, rigid connective tissue made up of cells. What are the bone cells? There are three types of bone cell. Number one is osteoblast. Osteoblast, these are the bone cells. Osteo means bone and blast means forming. So bone forming cells are called as osteoblast. Bone forming cells are called as osteoblast. They are immature bone cells, and their function is to produce a matrix which consists of type 1 collagen. They produce matrix, bone forming cell, osteoblast. They produce matrix which consists of actually type 1 collagen. Actually, they divide and redivide and form new bony cells which replace the cartilage. I think आप लोगों को ये पता होगा when baby is born, the skeleton is wholly made up of, completely made up of cartilage. Later on, with the passage of time, this cartilaginous skeleton is replaced by bone, but cartilage remain in some parts of the body, in some region of the body, like at the tip of the nose, at the end of long bones, in the ear, pinna, etc. etc. कहने का मतलब है कि कार्टिलेज कुछ जगहों पे बाकी रहता है. रेस्ट ऑफ द कार्टिलेजियन स्केलेटन is replaced by means of the bone. So bone forming cell, osteoblast, consist of matrix. Matrix contain type 1 collagen. जहाँ collagen को भी बताना चाहिए कि what is collagen. Collagen is a protein. The abundant protein found in the living being, not only in the in body of animal, is collagen. Abundant protein is collagen. The function of the osteoblast is to divide and produce new bony cells which replace cartilage. Osteoblasts also secrete and synthesize mineralized ground substance containing type 1 collagen. Second type of cell which are formed by the maturation of the osteoblasts, these are called as osteoclast. Osteo, as told earlier, means bone, and clast means osteoclast. Osteoclast, osteobones, clast means dissolving. कभी कभी फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है, बोन ब्रेकअप हो जाती है, तो बोन ब्रेकअप हो जाती है तो ब्रोकन बोन के सेल्स जो हैं वो डिज़ोल्व करते हैं ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट. बोन डिज़ोल्विंग सेल्स आर ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट और बोन डिस्ट्रॉइंग सेल्स आर ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट. कैसे वो ब्रोकन बोन से जो है उसके सेल्स जो हैं डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं और फिर नई बोन बनती है. By means of osteoclast, they remove the extra structure of the bone, remove the minerals, calcium, phosphate, etc., etc. from the broken bone. Remove the extra structure of the bone, calcium, phosphate, etc. from the broken bone. And osteoclast also help later on in maintaining the shape. They form second function of the osteoclast is bone resorption. Bone resorption, it means that it remove the bone tissue. These cells remove the bone tissue, that's remove the minerals matrix by breaking the organic bone, removing of the minerals from the bone cell. It is called as resorption. Removing of minerals from the bone cell, it is called as resorption. ऊपर मैंने बताया नहीं आप लोगों को कि ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट cells, these are amoeboid shaped mononucleated. Osteoclast, these are large cell multinucleated. फंक्शन हमने देख लिया कि ब्रोकन बोन के सेल्स को ये डिज़ोल्व करते हैं ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट, उससे मिनरल्स रिमूव करके, और रिमूवल ऑफ मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द बोन सेल रीजॉर्प्शन. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ सेल ऑस्टियोसाइट्स. ऑस्टियोबोन साइट्स मैच्योर बोन सेल्स. अगर इनके पहले ये देख लें कि दीज मैच्योर बोन सेल्स और ऑस्टियोसाइट्स हैव लॉन्ग एक्सटेंशन, long processes or extension. By means of these extension, these osteocytes make connection with that of the osteoblast. So osteocytes mature bone cells. Their function is actually they maintain the healthy bone. They maintain the healthy bone by secreting enzymes. They regulate calcium release from the blood to the bone. Regulate calcium release from the blood to the bone. ये 3 टाइप ऑफ सेल्स पढ़े हैं. बाद बच्चे मिक्स कर देते हैं ब्लास्ट को क्लास्ट के साथ, क्लास्ट को साइट के साथ. तो ब्लास्ट बोन फॉर्मिंग, क्लास्ट डिज़ोल्विंग, ब्रोकन बोन के सेल्स डिज़ोल्व करता है, ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट करते हैं मिनरल्स को रिमूव करके, और ऑस्टियोसाइट मैच्योर बोन सेल्स होते हैं. एंड दीज सेल्स मेक अप द बोनी स्ट्रक्चर of the human skeleton. 80% skeleton made up of bone, 20% by means of cartilage. Give me comment. क्या थोड़ा बहुत आपको इसमें समझ आया है कि नहीं? ठीक है. Later on we will see the other part of the Sporton system of second year B. स्केलेटल सिस्टम का कुछ और देखेंगे. ओके.